Deceitful bird. A long time ago, on the foothills of the Himalayas, there lived a large flock of birds. The king of the birds said,
"Go and look for grain. If you find some, report to me and we'll share it."
Soon all the birds set out. One bird flew far and found many carts loaded with grain passing through a road. As the carts passed, grain fell onto the road.
Wow, so much grain. What a feast! I won't tell the others, or I'll have to share it with them,
thought a selfish bird, and then flew back to his flock. When the other birds asked him if he had found anything, he said,
"Oh, my dear friends, I found a road with many carts." "Carts? There must be a lot of grain there,"
said the birds excitedly.
"Yes, but there are so many carts rushing by that it would be fatal to try and get the grain."
The other birds were disappointed and said,
"Oh, what a waste. Well, our lives are more important. We won't go there."
The bird was thrilled to see his plan work. Every day after that, he would fly off to the road and eat his fill. Soon, he became really fat, and the other birds got suspicious of him. One day, when the bird set out as usual, the king followed him at a distance. The king saw the bird feasting on the grain and realized that he had cheated the others. As he watched, a cart came down the road. The greedy bird saw the cart and said,
"It's still far away. I have time to eat some more,"
and went on eating. The cart was moving at a great speed, and suddenly the bird cried,
"Oh no, it's here!"
and before he could fly away, the cart ran over him. The bird lay there on the verge of death when the king flew to him. He was very ashamed and saying,
"I'm very sorry, Your Majesty."
he died. The king flew back to his flock and told them of all that had happened.
"I hope you realize that selfishness and deceit brings one's own ruin,"
He said.